Yo guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to introduce you to this amazing platform, amazing app. This app is so crazy, and I think it's changing the game. This app is changing the game. If you all heard about ChatGPT and you are not tapping in yet, I think you're missing out. They even have an update, this app to download on the app stores, on iPhone and all that. That's a new development. Like I always do, I bring to you guys new technology that can empower your life and make you do things by yourself. Don't pay heavy money to people trying to get things done for you. Transforming the work and creativity with AI. This is where I'm thinking about. Transform your work. Just like you make YouTube videos, you need a good title, you need a good description. This place can help you and do it. So without wasting time, let's try this app and see how it goes. So first, if you are new to this app, you need to sign up. If you already have it, you sign in instantly, but for the cost of this, I am signing up to this website. And then let's go. You see the options. You can create your account. You can sign up with Microsoft. You can sign in with Google. You can sign in with your Apple. Okay, now that we are on this website, now that we've signed in, just like I said, if you're new, you have to sign up. Or if you already have an account, you sign in. So this is the interface of ChatGPT. This is what it can do for you. Any of these things, ChatGPT is amazing. You can just try it. Let's see what it can do. Hello chat. Write a nice description of my page, of my YouTube video. About a pregnant cat. Pregnant cat. You see, it's amazing what this can do for you. Make the work so fast and stop wasting so much time getting a lot of money spent on writing articles, descriptions, and you're not even doing it very well. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll be bringing more updates on whatever is popping. Do stay tuned, and peace out.